Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Ford EcoSport Trend, stock reference number 5670. The shape runs from the 11th month 2013 through to the 9th month 2017. It has a 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, halogen type, left guard, no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy made with a good tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy made with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, spare wheel cover, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has no damage. Right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy made with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage. Right power door mirror. Driver side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heating controls, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.